How to extract the substring between two markers? Let's say I have a string def-tf to 1234 sousp and I want to extract just the 1234 part. I only know what will be the few characters directly before AAA, and after Z the part I am interested in 1234. Was said it is possible to do something like this with a string. And this will give me 1234 as a result. How to do the same thing in Python?
Using regular expressions, documentation for further reference. Or
then you can use regex with the re module as well, if you want, but that's not necessary in your case.
Regular expression. The above S's will fail with an attribute if there are no AAA and Z's in your underscore text. String methods. The above will return an empty string if either AAA or Z's don't exist in your underscore text. PS Python challenge?
Surprised that nobody has mentioned this, which is my quick version for one-off scripts.
You can do using just one line of code. Result will receive list.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.